Nasdaq may have some correction coming in the next few weeks. Today, I will give you the insights and also some update for Nvidia because Nvidia basically is the main stock to pull up the Nasdaq. So you need to be a bit head up. Don't chase high right now because now we have some troubles. What is the troubles? You continue to watch this. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. This channel is about the education. We don't recommend you any trade. So now we look at Nasdaq. Okay. So Nasdaq basically they create a higher high already. This is some weekly chart. So everyone is so excited. They go in to buy stock. And if you if you follow my channel, you know we do trade when they actually change the trend. This red line is my indicator called YM Club Fast. So basically, you should buy here. You are not buying here, man, because when it's downward, change the trend. This is the beginning of the bull market. So you buy here. You're not buying at the end of the bull market or on the halfway of bull market. Why? Because your risk is very high. Okay. And we have OBOS, the purple signal to tell you this is a low. Okay. And we also have other indicator to show you institution buying, such as YM chip entry, they targeting institution. But today I'm going to talk about right now what is going on. Okay. Buying opportunity is here. Now is not. Now is September. This is April and March. Okay. So what is going on now? You can see this red line so we go up, go up, go up. It seems like changing to be flat. Okay, you see the curve? So when they change to flat, basically Nasdaq will have a sideways walk, just like this one. Okay, if it is a side, if they do flat, okay, and if they change downward, then Nasdaq basically will go down like this. Okay, for the weekly chart, we look at the YM Club Fast. Why? Because this is the very fast check line to tell you they change the trend. Every time from upward trend to downward trend, you see the candle. They right away they react. This one, from downward to upward, they right away they react. And this one, the sideways. The side is quite not easy to trade, I would say, because sideways you cannot short, you cannot put. Basically, you cannot buy, you can sell. Basically, when you buy, you will buy at the high, and then when you sell, you are selling at the low. Basically, the normal people. Okay. So now on the weekly chart, you need to learn something about the institutional movement or big volume trade movement. Okay. Usually people don't see that. But first thing, we look back to the red line. The red line direction already slowing down. You see here. Second thing, they go already under the red line. What does it mean? It means the weakness is here. They show some weakness here. Okay, so the next thing we look at the money. YM big buy. YM big buy is the checking the big volume trade. Are they buying or are they selling? So it's very easy check to see are they buying or selling. Look at here. The red candle is net sell. The green is net buy. Okay? The purple line is the average. They usually occurred before the trend line. The trend line is based on the money, right? If you want them to change the direction, you have to go money first in. Now, you see the money is going down since basically June 16, basically from this candle. So basically, this is a divergence. Price going up, but the big volume trade is going down. Why we need to check the big volume trade? Because these are institution, these are PE fund, these are private equity fund, or the big fund house. Okay, so we need to check what are they doing. We are not checking the what are the public doing. We are checking what is the fund house doing. We follow them. We buy when they change the direction. We sell when they change the direction. Is it clear? So first thing, don't chase high. Now we are already high and the trend is slowing down and money basically is going out. Okay. And people say, oh, should we sell now or whatever? You look at the daily chart. You look at the daily chart. Okay. Now we go back to Nvidia. I want to show you what's going on with Nvidia. Okay, so now Nvidia is this is a weekly chart, and Nvidia from here they changed the direction right here. You have money come in, and they're getting stronger. Da, 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 da. And then they drop below the red, and the red is tilting downward. Okay, this is something very critical. Another thing is look at this yellow candle. Refresh six yellow candle. It's quite tricky one because they flash the long lower wick. So the public will go to buy in. And they cause the next candle a high upper wick because they come back down. This is a rebound. This is like a fake reaction. So people buy here, people think this is low, this is cheap, and people buy. Actually, if you look at the trend line, they're pushing the price go downward. Okay, this is weekly chart. Another thing, yellow candle. If you follow my channel, this is the YMOBOS. It means oversold, overbought. Yellow is oversold. Sorry, overbought. When the last yellow disappear and they drop below the low, the last yellow candle, basically is a confirmation. This candle, today is Friday. Basically, it will confirm today. Hey, they will start to drop more. Okay, just like this one. Look, yellow, they disappear and they close below and they drop more. They drop few more candle here. They drop few more candle here. Now here. Okay. So you need to pay attention with Nvidia. Nvidia is the main stock to pull up the Nasdaq. I repeat. Okay. Don't when you buy the stock, you want to buy low. You want to buy here. You don't want to buy here. So you need to have some indicator or or some technique to buy at the low. Okay. The next thing, how about the money? The money is the same. They go downward very quickly, actually, here. Okay. And uh, the price go up, but the money is going downward. This is direction. This is something we always need to look for. The price action is different with the fund. It means they will have some sudden movement later, like surprising movement. Okay, so people did not expect the institution is quitting, but some big fund house already selling the stock. Okay, so I don't mean this is end of the road. I just mean they will have some correction. And is it normal to have correction? Yes, they up so many candles already here, like non-stop. So they need to have a break. This is totally healthy. Okay, it's very, very healthy. Nothing to be panicked. But I just want to be a bit give you a bit alert. Don't buy at the high. How to tell this is high or low? You need to look at weekly chart to see this, the YM club fast. Look at the turn. Okay? Every time they turn, you basically buy or sell. That's it. So easy. Okay? So another thing, daily chart. So now we already know the weekly chart have some problem. Now daily chart. Daily chart, we look at the blue line. Okay, the blue line from here, they go up. Basically here, we already drop below the blue. And the Y and big buy go below the zero. Okay, so basically, you need to sell here. You are selling at the high already. Okay, so something you need to be more alert. You see, they drop below the blue already. You're not buying, you're not catching the low now. Some people, when they drop more, they like to buy more, but this is not the attitude. Unless you are billionaire, you can buy no matter what. Okay, but I want you to invest a bit more smart. Okay, so you need to have some indicator. If you're interested to have this indicator, you can click the link in the description and always learn before, or you have something like some smart indicator, which is not the public indicator, because the public indicator, everyone use it, and institution use this trick to trick you guys. Okay, so I want you guys to have fruitful and successful week trading journey. So I see you in the next video. If you have any question, you can pop in the comment. And if you want to subscribe it, you can click the link in the description. See you next video. Bye bye.